My name's Melissa Tiberio. I'm the manager of domestic engagement within the global and domestic engagement team at Providence. I connected with Mafe through one of our program offerings at the end of last year.
My name is Mafe Chase. I work at Providence St. Vincent's Medical Center in Portland, Oregon.
I thought I'd kick off this conversation providing a little bit of context and some background for how we got connected. Both of us were drawn to Providence in different ways and at different times, but partially because of its community-oriented mission. During the pandemic, many caregivers reached out to our team wanting to support the community in different ways. And we spent time building out remote volunteer opportunities that would allow caregivers to safely contribute. Part of that build out involved utilizing our Action Hub. The Action Hub is our organization-wide online platform. At the end of 2021, through that Action Hub, we announced a group service challenge. Caregivers could propose their own project. One of those teams was made up of caregivers from the Clinical Decision Unit and Acute Dialysis Unit at Providence St. Vincent Medical Center in Portland. Mafe was their team leader and coordinated a hygiene kit assembly and donation activity as part of their holiday party in the park. So caregivers gathered a variety of hygiene supplies and assembled care packages to be distributed within the emergency department and local community members who are experiencing homelessness. I'm going to invite Mafe now to share her team story.
When I got involved with this community service, I found the Action Hub. Everything that they showed in there is kind of calling me. So I said oh, maybe we should do this hygiene kit, which is easy to do, and I've done it a few times with my school where my kids are going, and got them involved. And it really calls that volunteerism that everybody wants to do. They can bring whatever they want to share to the community. And the perfect timing was when my manager asked us to have a holiday party. We integrated the hygiene kits and asked those who are not able to come to bring donations. We pack at least 30 bags of hygiene kits. Some of them I distributed it to the emergency room department, where a lot of our homeless people come, and the charge nurse was very happy to have those, so that's easy for them to give it out. Some of them was distributed to my coworkers to have it in their car. They see a homeless person if they really felt like they want to give that hygiene kit, and that was also an opportunity for them to do that. We decided to do the hygiene kit because it was easy, and then it really have that vulnerable population that are really needing some assistance, even simple as a clean pair of socks and some soap or a toothbrush or a toothpaste. That simple Ziploc full of goodies that they can use can make a difference.
And I remember you said something about you loved the idea of engaging your colleagues in hygiene kits because you felt like it was something they could do at home with their families.
Everybody could do it. Having a couple Ziploc bags of toiletries as well as water or chocolate bars, it's something that makes a big difference. You can just give it with all your heart and then move on. And if you want to make conversation, it's something that you can do too.